Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Tellasis or Tell Not, a channel where I make you aware through reviews while you chillax and take the information. How about that? Good. Okay, in support to Mental Health Week, I am bringing you some cool smoothie recipes that are very good for your mental health. Let's get it done. It's over to the kitchen and get it done. I'm so excited to show you. Remember in my intro video I told you that I'm gonna give you a little bit of my smoothie recipes. So it is starting this mental health week because this smoothie, I had been taking it and it had been absolute wonderful. It is Friday night, so after the gigi of Friday night, just detox with this mental healthy smoothie. You won't regret it. I'm talking too much. Let's just go. Our green smoothie with our organic spinach is very good for your brain. It contains very good nutrients. Some of them are 45% daily need of folate, B vitamins that helps red blood cells and DNA, 15% iron and magnesium, 10% potassium, 6% calcium. The anti-inflammatory effects of spinach makes it a key contender for protecting the brain, particularly with aging. So spinach is so good. Kiwi contains high serotonin nutrient. So this serotonin is actually associated with depression and mood disorder when it is deficient. So taking enough kiwi or adding it in smoothie like this helps to regulate appetite and mood. Cucumber contains vitamin B1, B5, B7. Deficiency of B complex is known to cause anxiety and stress. So, adding cucumber to this smoothie is a great way to improve your mental health and keep depression away. Ginger. It has a whole lot of benefit which you already know, but it is also good for mental health. But do not put too much of it because it will have side effect if you put too much of it. It is very good for mental health. So add required amount that is suitable for your smoothie quantity. Lemon. Of course, you know the benefit of citrus fruits. So lemon contains as much quantity of vitamin C like orange. It helps to lower level of stress hormones. So it is very good for your mental health. Dates. Neural regeneration research states that dates have promising therapeutic potential against Alzheimer's diseases due to their ability to combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. The magnesium content in almond may be an effective treatment for anxiety-related symptoms, according to researchers, because inadequate magnesium reduces the level of the neurotransmitter serotonin in the brain. So while you are getting support for your mental health or taking your medication, don't forget to top up on your balanced diet. Going through these smoothie recipes would be a plus. I am telling you because it is an experience. Since I have been on this smoothie journey, I can't tell you enough of the benefits I have gathered from these recipes and more. Don't worry, I'm gonna share more for you. It's free. I'm gonna just tell you because I want you to be healthy as I am. So even if you have any underlying illness, not only will these smoothies keep you strong, but they will actually boost your immune system, that not all sicknesses that come to you will affect you. They will just knock everything off. Why don't you try it? Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe so you can get more of my contents. Thank you. It tastes so amazing. It tastes so good.